Well, bro chachos, the day has finally come. In these boxes, we have our Stage 3 Plus kit, our supercharger upgrade, and our intercooler, both custom for Witchcraft. And she's been such a good girl just waiting here patiently for these upgrades for weeks now. Now, before we hop into today's video, do me a big favor. If you have not yet joined the Bertini fam, go ahead and, well, you know the deal, peoples. Click that subscribe button and the notification bell. This way it sends me bazillions of dollars. And no, I'm just kidding. I mean, that would be nice though. Oh, one more thing. Miguel's working today. So he wants to work and have a job. Why? I don't know. I'm replacing him with Better Miguel. Why is this Better Miguel? I'll tell you why. He agrees. He does everything I say and he doesn't get bothered by me. Right, sweetie? Don't you love me so much?
Yes, Pa. I love you so much. You're the bestest ever. And I'm so excited to be working on Witchcraft today with you.
You see? Isn't he just so adorable, people? On that note, I need to get out of my pajamas and put my mechanical clothing on, or we like to call it in Hispanic, clothing-o, and start working on Witchcraft. So let's do it. And we're back and changed. I got my Brock's Performance shirt on. We all know that adds a million, bazillion, quadrillion horsepower to our motorcycles. Now, let me show you what we're gonna be putting on the bike. So for starters, we got this Extreme Creations from Australia, custom silver ceramic polished clutch cover with the see-through window. We have a gold clutch plate, also from Extreme Creations. We have new clutch springs from Brock's Performance. We have our custom silver ceramic and polished intercooler, along with all of our fittings, cooler, reservoir tank and pump, new oil filter, new oil plug. Look how pretty that thing looks. The details is what matters. Oh, and I almost forgot these. These are Stage 3 gears, because in the not too distant future, we're going to be installing a
high-performance camshaft.
Good job, Miguel. God, he's talking a whole lot today. So first things first, people. Let's go ahead and remove the seat off of here, undo the battery, get off the gas tank, drain all the oil out of this bike, and start pulling everything out. I'm excited. And we're almost done prepping the GTR for sale. But that's a whole other video. Let's get back to Witchcraft here. So let me give you all a quick update here. So we have the H2 pretty much all taken apart, at least the top end. So the old plenum is off and removed. I got the new plenum pretty much all set up here. But now we need to move on to the clutch cover and the supercharger gears. So I don't want to put that on yet, the new intercooler, or the intercooler, not the new one, just the intercooler, until we take this tensioner off here, because it'll be easier for me to get it off from this angle than it would be with the intercooler on, or plenum and intercooler on. So now we need to go ahead and pop this bad boy off and start taking things out of here. What was that, Miguel?
Father, you're so amazing. I love when you teach me all this stuff about the Kawasaki Ninja H2, and I'm learning so much from you. This is why I love working on motorcycles and cars with you, because you teach me so much, oh Jedi Master.
Miguel, I'm Sith. Shut up. Psh, psh. Anyways, you're talking way too much in this video. Gosh, kids, am I right? Anyways, let's go ahead and get this clutch cover off and see what the internals look like. Alrighty, now with the clutch out, all I have left to do now here is remove these supercharger gears here. Oh shit, I lied. I need to remove the tensioner. So I need to do that. Then I need to remove the supercharger gears here. I'm gonna go ahead and use my ladder over here. I don't know if you guys remember, but we use this on our Street Glide and in our Street Bob. Super helpful to keep these gears from moving. I mean, any gears in general. Highly recommend. You can pick one of these up off of Amazon. Maybe I'll include one in the link in the description box below, if you guys are good boys and girls. Miguel, what do you think of this process so far? I know it's been a whole lot of work for you, and I know you're really, really happy with the way things are turning out. What do you think, buddy?
Father, you're so amazing. This job, you make it look so easy. And you're just the best daddy ever. And I love you so much.
I love you too so much, buddy. Kiss on the cheek. All right, let's get back to work. So now we gonna go ahead and get these things fitted on here. And these look like some big old boys. Some real thick, meaty, big boys.
That's what she said. Michael. Michael, please.
Let's get it done. Let's start with the tensioner. Then we'll take these out and get these new gears in. We should probably compare them.
A few moments later.
Well, we got the factory gear off, and yeah, there is a very big difference in size. I don't know if you guys can tell from the video, but yeah, there's a pretty massive difference in the size in comparison to the factory one. Anyways, let's go ahead and get it on. So what's really odd though is on the other side of the supercharger, the one that goes up there, it's actually a lot smaller. So smaller up top, bigger on the bottom. Well, they know what they're doing. Well, bro chachos, I think we're finished for the night. Not by choice, but because we're missing a tool. I just ordered the tool, but it's not gonna be here for a couple of days. So, project's basically on pause now. I am missing the clutch basket holder tool. And I could have sworn that I had it here somewhere in this box, but I can't find it. And when you can't find a tool, it means you gotta purchase it again. So yeah, that sucked. Right, Miguel?
That sucks so bad, Dad. It sucks so bad.
Yeah, I was thinking the same, buddy. On that note, you're gonna have to stay tuned in for the next video. If you found this video useful or entertaining, don't forget, I'm a trained idiot. So anything you do that I did in this video, you do on your own accord. Kind of like the Honda. Get it? Honda Accord? Nah, me neither. But don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, hit the like button. Really helps our videos out. With that being said,
make sure to put good energy out into the world and pay it forward.
we'll check you out later. Bro chachos, bye now.
Ching to be continued.